I just wanna say Baba oh Eshe. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evie. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. So join me, let's make the best waakye ever in the century. Yes, so I have 2 cups of the red beans. So I select and take away every unwanted particle and then wash it thoroughly, like about 3 or 4 times. Yes. So I discovered that using the red beans for your waakye is perfect than using the black eye beans. So ever since, I always use the red beans for my waakye and the outcome is superb. So today I'm sharing with you. So I wash this, and whilst washing it, I have my sorghum leaves boiling already in my pressure cooker. So as you can see here, so I just add my beans to it. And then I cover it for it to cook. And with the pressure cooker, in the next 15-20 minutes, my beans was ready. So you see, my beans is well cooked, very soft, without baking soda. My beans is perfect. The color is great. So now I just remove my sorghum leaves out of the beans because it has finished with its job. Yeah, I don't want to add my rice and then cook my waakye, and I'll have some waakye in the leaves. I have to take it out. I have to a whole lot. No, so I just take the leaves out and then I use the cooked beans directly. So if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can still go ahead and use your normal pots and your fire, which will take you about 40 to 1 hour for the beans to get cooked. So now I transfer my beans into a big pot. I'm preparing a larger quantity of waakye, so you can see my pot is very big. And then I also have 2 cups of rice here. So this is a new grain of rice. I was trying to see how it works. So I wash my rice and then add it to my cooked beans. So I add 1 cup of water to it. Stir gorgeously. Then I add some salt to taste. So with the salt, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of salt. Yeah. And then I cover it up for it to cook. So occasionally we'll be checking our waakye to see how it's doing, and you can see the new rice wasn't bad at all, just that I prefer my waakye to be more softer. Yeah, so I add lots of water to it, but it depends on how you want it. I like my waakye when it is sticky. I hope you get it. Yeah, so you see how it's doing here. Yeah, so I cover it up with some foil and then lower the heat and allow it to cook for extra 20 minutes. Already we are done with 20 minutes already, so I just allow it to cook for another 20 minutes. and voila, you can see my waakye is perfect as I want it soft. Just look at it, and the color too great. So I just serve myself. Yeah, this is lunch, okay? So I dish some out, and you can see the color is perfect. I don't need to be removing the leaves at this stage. I just dish out my waakye and we are good to go. So preparing waakye is very, very simple, and it's interesting to do. Yeah, especially when it comes to you garnishing with the gari, the spaghetti or the talia and the leaves and all that. Yeah, so what is with waakye with all this gorgeous garnishing? The compliments are many, right? Okay, so you can see I have complemented it nicely here. And you remember the gorgeous waakye stew I prepared? Yeah, I'll just top it up with it and we are good to go. I know you want to try this delicious waakye. I know you want to try. Just when I know you want to eat this waakye. Yeah, so thank you guys for how far we have come. God bless you. I really appreciate your likes, your comments, and your subscription. So please, let's keep them coming. Let's keep them coming so we grow together. So if you like this recipe, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, share this video, very, very necessary, and then subscribe for more beautiful recipes. Wow, me waakye aye akono. I have some eggs, some fish, some willy. Oh, my chicken. Oh my goodness. Waakye without willy. That one is a waakye. And I have some shitter also on it. So come, let's enjoy some hearty lunch. So I love you. See you in our next video. Bye bye.